You must see what this is about.
I bet it can't be too much for a Honda.
Is this the road that takes to the hillbillies' houses?
This is unusually hazardous and dangerous. Pretty sure that one we went down earlier was way worse than this one. And that was the last they had ever been seen from again.
There's a fucking just big hole. What?
Dude, there's a
light.
yeah, right? There's power out here still.
What is that?
That hillbilly house we were just talking about?
No, like the hillbilly house I'm talking about, dude, literally has the funkiest fucking road to their place. And they got trailers upon trailers and yard ornaments more than fucking Paul Schlickenmeyer did. It looks so redneck out there.
Some of this grass is almost as tall as the car. Can't believe somebody's paying power out at that place. They must have cattle stuff in there, well and stuff. But still, wouldn't you just put a solar panel out there rather than pay an electricity bill every month? This is unusually dangerous and hazardous. This is like the smoothest prairie trail we've driven on today. That was hazardous.
Yeah.
Sorry, Honda.
Fucking hell, that hurt my nuts.
Probably hurt its poor oil pan.
What's up, Lyle?
Yeah, I should probably build a skid plate for this thing. Then we could haul ass down these trails and not even care. Because you know I would. I'd be going 100 miles an hour on, or as fast as this little thing would go anyways. Well, looks pretty steep. Oops.
And even over that hill looks like it goes down pretty steep.
We'll see where this goes here. Ooh, there's another one of them big clunkers. No, we better not do that. We end up ramping this thing like we did earlier. That should have been on camera. Dang it. all of a sudden, whoosh, into a bunch of water. Pretty sure we're about to come out by somebody's yard, I bet. Yep.
Oh, that's a road from that way.
I know. We're gonna see where the rest of that treacherous, hazardous road conditions goes. Now that we just came from this way too, I feel a little more confident hauling down this road a little faster because it was pretty smooth.
There was that one rock.
Yeah,
I don't remember where.
me neither. I'm sure we'll find it again.
Yeah.
I think it was around here somewhere.
Just fucking waiting for it.
I think we passed it. Oh shit. That might have been treacherous if somebody was kind of cruising. Okay, maybe I shouldn't be going so fast. In case we do have an emergency stopping sort of situation. Like that looked like almost like a fence going past. Treacherous and hazardous. It didn't say treacherous. What did it say? Dangerous and treacherous? No.
Dangerous and hazardous.
Dangerous and hazardous. I don't know why I got treacherous stuck in my head. Hazardous.
Hang on. What if we can't get back up? Oh yeah, we ain't getting nothing.
Huh?
We're not gonna make it back up.
Ooh. Ooh. Oh, heck yeah, we would.
Yeah, we're gonna.
Ooh. Now I kind of feel like we might be in somebody's pasture. Because this prairie trail kind of turned to nothing. That just says private property right there, so.
Fuck's out here, huh?
Holy crap.
What is all that? Wood? There's a building up there.
Oh yeah, there is. We're definitely driving into somebody's yard, I think.
Yeah, like their bag.
Dang it. I guess. Turn around.
Is that just a window in town?
Just might have a tire track. There it is. I mean, maybe we could have went through there because it is a section line, so. That hill's got some cool stuff in it to explore.
Like, honestly, I wouldn't mind digging a shit ton of a hill like that and seeing what you find.
So, here's that hill that you said we weren't going to make it back up. It does look a little steep now, but I think we're going to make it with ease. Seems how that one over there is a little steeper. We're gonna practice on it. Oh man, if it wouldn't have spun out there, we were gonna make it.
Press it.
Dang, that was so close. Alright, if we made it up that, we're definitely gonna make it back up that road. If not, I guess we'll go through that guy's yard over there.
Tell me I had no other choice.
Yeah, and went down the hazardous road and got stuck. This part here's a little steep, but shit, this thing's a trooper, dude.
Yeah.
Might have to take this up to McCluskey and find some trails around there, because I know some cool places that this thing would be fun.
It's like perfectly flat, like that. The rocks around
that big hill? Nope, not here yet. I shouldn't say big hill, it's steep little hill. It's in that one intersection. This is what I was thinking.
Amazing.
Yep.
Lights is dim.
I'm gonna inspect after that. That was pretty hard hitting that thing. Heck yeah, them radiator supports helped big time. Kept that radiator out of the engine. Woohoo!
Two little tigers. Like, man, it saved us months of traveling. Fuck, we got a shitload of them on Winchester.
back the other way. Oh. Maybe not. I think I should make some things to lift this up a couple inches. Can't hardly see our trail no more. It's his hunting cabin. Dogs. That was actually pretty impressive.
Slow rev on it.
Yeah.